Each day, more of your business goes digital, migrating assets to the cloud, empowering employees to work from home. You're doing what it takes to stay agile in today's competitive climate. But as your footprint grows, so does your attack surface, increasing your level of cyber risk and decreasing your control. Without continuous visibility into all the assets that comprise your digital ecosystem, it's difficult to identify hidden risks lurking in the shadows. Shine a light on your expanding attack surface across on-premise, cloud, and remote office environments with BitSight Attack Surface Analytics. Through a centralized dashboard, get a more complete view of your digital assets, organized by geography and business unit, along with their cyber risk. Discover shadow IT, potentially unprotected applications being used without IT's knowledge, and identify areas of concentrated risk through an ecosystem-wide view. With Attack Surface Analytics, you'll gain unprecedented context into your digital ecosystem, enabling you to assess and mitigate risk effectively, prioritize the right resources, and confidently expand your digital footprint. Ready for a more complete view of your organization's cyber risk? Get in touch today for your free demo.